Kane Watson is a national champion again.
I mean, last year I interviewed Mr. Phillips when he won, and he was, clearly elated. Who would have thought that a year later, a former champion, many times over, 4 times over, would have come and snatched away his title. You're the man who did that. Your thoughts on the match?
Well, I mean, as you can see, it was a close match in the end. I started off firing, but I mean, he pegged back. He called a crucial timeout, which changed the momentum of the game. And in the last set, I got a clear lead, and I just held that advantage and took home the victory in the end.
You jumped out early to a 3-love lead. Were you a bit shocked? I
was expecting that. I mean, I was expecting to win 4-love,
right?
I mean, but as I said, that timeout changed the game, and I mean, hats off to him for fighting. And that fighting spirit shows that he has improved. I mean, I left the sport last year, but now I'm back. But from when I left the sport now, he's leaps and bounds ahead of where he was, and I mean, we can just hope for just improvement from both of us.